Hey Kiss Cuties, it's Janelle, Kiss Colors and Care's resident hair expert, and I'm showing you how to elevate this nostalgic jumbo French braid look. The first step is to create a clean part from the front of the head to the nape. Next, section loose hair into 3 sections starting at the front and add a little braiding gel. Because we want this style to last a little longer, we're using the braiding gel in Extreme Hold Level 8. Apply this on the roots when you divide the hair to create clean and crisp sections. When choosing your style to braid, you don't have to get as fancy as me or beat me, go fancier. I added a small braid just for a little bit of pizzazz. Using a good grip, fold the weft of your braiding hair into your natural hair and begin crossing sections. The key is to keep the hair taut and close to the head. With each section, cross over and add a little bit more hair into the braid to gradually gather all of the hair into the plait. Continue these steps until the entire section is done. Next, apply Kiss Colors and Care's foam mousse from root to tip. Secure down with a headscarf and allow time to dry. This will help mold and fix hair into place. All you have left is a few flicks of the wrist for your baby hairs with our tried and true Edge Fixer Gel, and you're done. Swirls for the girls, right? I know she loves the baby hair. Our Edge Fixer is infused with biotin B7 to keep your edges strong. Baby girl is all grown up with this sleek and edgy protective style. Listen, Kiss Color and Care's Edge Fixer Gel is the bomb. For more iconic looks, visit kisscolors.com.